I'm Eugene with Dyacon. Our new quick deployment tripod is intended for seasonal and temporary installations of hydrology and meteorology equipment. The tripod is designed to be a robust platform that can be assembled in the field without any tools and can accommodate even 100 pounds of equipment, as I'll demonstrate shortly. The tripod can easily be set up and adjust to uneven terrain using just the pins that are provided. Each of the pins are tethered so they don't get lost, and the legs are adjustable. In cases where plumbing the tripod is important, the tripod has a built-in bullseye level that doesn't require any additional tools. Once set up, then the tripod is capable of supporting plenty of weight. If you have any applications for this, have any questions, or need customizations, please give us a call.